Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we the Ghost Brothers, I'm MVS from the Ghost Brothers, is gonna show you how to download Adobe Photoshop on your PC for free. So let's just open the link from the description down below. This is only for Windows 10. It's not for Mac. So just download the file over here in the description from the description, and let me just close this window because I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. So and right click on the file and click on extract here. Just click on extract here. I'm not going to extract it again because I've already extracted it, and as you can see, and so over here you got to click on setup and click yes when the option comes. It's not coming from because my screen recorder cannot record that. Over here let's just wait for wait to load. So let's just wait a while for that. Okay guys, as you can see over here, so don't need to change anything with the file location. Just keep it as it is because it's already disabled, and language is as per your convenience, so you can do that. And click on continue. Alright, I'm gonna click on quit because I've already downloaded Adobe Photoshop on my PC, as you can see in my taskbar. So I'm gonna click on quit over here, and I'm gonna close the file explorer window and show you if it actually works. So let's click on Adobe Photoshop over here and let's wait for it to launch. Guys, as you can see over here, the interface of Photoshop will look something like this, because it will take a while to load for the textures that comes below the file button and all those toolbars. So it will take a while to load. So let me just make a new project over here. So let me just click on file in the top corner, and let me just click on new. And I click on new and I click on create, as I've already made a project in that. As you can see, the behind textures are loaded, and over here, as you can see, this is the Photoshop. This is the interface of Photoshop. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up if it works on your PC. And this is only for Windows 10, as I said. It's only for Windows 10. It won't work on Mac because it's only supported for Windows 10. This Photoshop. So guys, if you like this video, just give this video a big thumbs up. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if